Hi all, welcome to my channel Prabha Online Classes. Today we will see in detail multimedia. In multimedia, I think we aware that it's a multiple medias. We discussed in the last video. Okay, so it's a combination of text, audio, videos, and the different graphics and animations. Where it's a combination of two words, multiple medias, where we have hardware and software medias for communication. We will see hardware medias what are all those which comes under multimedia. Under hardware media, there are all the hardwares whichever whatever we can feel or we can touch. Those are all hardware medias. For example, printers we can see, I know, computer, radio, television, all the hardware medias which are used in the multimedia are all called hardware media. Okay, and somewhere it's useful in the creation of the multimedia. So now we will go next for the software media, which is definitely important when, because without software even hardware is really it's empty, or it's a very important, it's a soul of hardware. So we can say software media's example is like email, music, videos, and applications. Chatting application like Teams and Skype, WhatsApp. So, why do we use software media to, for communication or making different? It's kind of communication only, because by mail we communicate, by music we communicate, by video we editing we communicate something to someone else, right? So these are all ways of communication. Even in chatting applications nowadays, everybody uses WhatsApp, right? That is also a part of software multimedia. In offices, we use Skype, Teams. So these are all some software media's examples. We will see here components of multimedia. We have given some examples of software multimedia components like sound, audio, graphics, text, animation, and video. Here, sound means something which I am speaking and it touches your eardrum, right? So it creates some impact on your ears. That is something called sound. Graphics is there. There are different types of text available. Okay, which is also a way of communication. So these are all components of multimedia. Here I have shown you five components: sound, graphics, text, animation, and video. We can also say these are all the main building block, or sometimes we can ask what are all the elements of multimedia. So these are all the components or main building blocks or elements of multimedia. Next comes applications of multimedia. So in application side, we use multimedia in education. In education, it really becomes important when we teach. We use multimedia in education field. So with the help of multimedia, education becomes easy to understand, and with the help of visualization, it's a really uh, becomes easy to educate people or kids mainly. Okay, and even in business, we can say in marketing, advertising products, and many presentations, multimedia plays a crucial role, where it helps to grow our business and increase the customers. This is like it's it's used in the into the marketing strategies also. So definitely multimedia plays an important role in the business. In technology and science also, if you want, you can note it down. It helps into the broadcasting from one location to another location. Like we everybody like mostly see IPL matches and sports like cricket streaming and radios, television. No, broadcasting is there, right? So that is also a good example of multimedia, which is used in science and technology. And in hospitality industry also, multimedia plays a very important role in the surgeries. In video conference and meetings also, we are using multimedia. So next comes entertainment. In entertainment, definitely film industry, video game industry, and music industries. They are like major entertainment sectors where where multimedia is playing very important role. And like we can see in animation industry, cartoons and all, right? It's really important. So multimedia is really important and it plays a major role. I think that will be all for today's lecture. Thank you.